So if you pay $1,500 a month, you're going to get ad management, content creation. We're going to test your ads on a weekly basis. We're going to request new creatives from you. We're going to change the copy. We're going to do landing page optimization, which is going to help your store convert more, your landing page convert more. We're going to send emails out for you, and that's what's included. And then the client says, okay, but what does that really entail?
Come on, man.
You know, Jason, I'd love to get started, but, you know, I don't really have my card on me. And then I'll ask them, hey, like, where are you right now? They're like, oh, you know, I'm at my sister's house. Or like, I'm out right now. You left the house without your card?
Come on, man.
The best part is when you're on a Zoom call and in the background, you see that they have a picture of like their wedding or like some like picture of them at the Super Bowl. And then the best comeback is like, hey man, you can't afford this, but you afforded a $40,000 wedding and a $2,000 Super Bowl ticket. Or one of the good ones is like, when you're talking to somebody and they're like, oh man, I'm broke right now. Like, I don't have any money. Then you go to their Instagram and they got like Chanel bags, Gucci bags, fucking everything under the sun. And you're like, oh shit, all right, well, you can buy that instead. Jesus, man. Another one I'll get is like, oh, you know, like right now, you know, money's really tight and, you know, my daughter, she just moved into a private school and we really have to try to afford that. You're wasting money on private school? We're trying to grow your business. Who gives a fuck about school? Come on, bruh. What? Another one I got was like, oh, my LLC is pending right now. You know, I really want to wait till that's, you know, submitted and solidified, and then I'll be contacting you. Your LLC has nothing to do with your Shopify store, has nothing to do with your landing page. Like, if you're going to make excuses, you got to come up with a better one because that was actually horrific. Or one of the better ones is like, oh, I don't have time right now for this. Like, I don't feel like collaborating. You know, I don't really have like the willpower. But you have the willpower to make less money. You have the willpower to run a business that's not profitable. And you have the willpower to stay in the same situation that you're currently in. Another good one is like, I've used many Facebook advertisers in the past and I've been burned, I've been scammed. And I'm like, bro, what you've done with those people has nothing to do with me. I'm not Jim. I'm not Bob. I'm not fucking Chris. I have nothing to do with these people. Neither do I care. Neither do I know them. You came to me today. You booked a call for a reason. And I know that you can make a decision right here on the phone. What is your fucking answer? Another good one is like when it's really late at night and the parents are trying to put the kids to bed and like you can hear them and you're like, or well, no, the prospect's like, oh man, let me call you back in 15 minutes. You know, I gotta put my kids to bed.
Come on, man.
I'm pretty sure if your kids stay up for 10 minutes more, they're not gonna kill you. You're not gonna go homeless and you're gonna be healthy, okay? Let your kids run around more, make them more tired so that it's easier to put them to bed. And that's how I'll answer that one. But I really wanted to bring this video to you guys because that's a lot of objections that I hear. And I really want you to let that sink in and think about your answers to those. Most of the time, you're just giving them a realistic outcome. You're giving them the, come on, man, kind of reaction.
Come on, man.
So throughout all the sales calls that I'll ever have, these are the biggest ones that I'll see. And I really just want to make this video too because I'm really tired of seeing people make these excuses. You want to build a business. You want to get results. You're covering up your capabilities in these bullshit ass excuses. The people who are adults, the people who are the decision makers, this year has been one of the worst years for people. And you have to step the fuck up to the plate. You have to stop being a little child. It is time to adult up. You did not leave your card at home. You don't need to talk to your spouse. You don't need to talk to your partner. Your kids can stay up 10 minutes later. If you were able to afford a wedding, afford a new car, afford a lease on an apartment, afford a lease on a house, it's time to step up to the plate. You don't need guaranteed results. You need a different mindset. You've been shut out this whole time by your parents when you were younger to be safe, to play the game safe, to be smart with your money. What is saving money without spending it and growing more of it? You need to accumulate assets, wealth, okay? Your business needs traffic. You do not need more time. Your business needs traffic. And the more time you waste is the less time that you will get back. And I'm making this a very emotional video because if you're the business owner right now who's waiting on shit to just some fucking magically appear, the world's not a fucking unicorn candy land. You need to step up. You need to take action on your business and you need to stop playing fucking small ball. Do you think people like me at the age of 23 who built $1 million business is going to keep waiting for shit to happen to them? It is time to step up. Are you running a business or a lemonade stand? Give me your answer down below. It's time to get your shit together. It's fucking 2020.